Hi everybody, welcome back. I wanted to share something with you. This is a sponge sanding pad and it is really awesome. You can attach it to your Orbital. It has the 8 holes on it, and then you simply add your sandpaper on top before you get started, and then you just start sanding as usual. It does add a tiny bit of weight to the machine, so make sure you do hold on. You'll want to apply just slightly more pressure than normal when proceeding through and sanding your pieces. If you're up in Canada and you're interested in getting one for yourself, DM me and I can send you my Amazon link.